I would like to bring our pioneer SI partner, Cognizant. Cognizant RPA practice team works closely with Botminds, and for the past few months, and are developing one POC a week, and are also working on some of the largest IDP deployments at this point of time. I'd like to invite our biggest champion and evangelist at Cognizant, Abhinav Kolhe. He's Senior Director, Digital Strategy and Automation Solutions at Cognizant. Abhinav provides process consultation, design, solutioning, delivery advice on cognitive process implementations to take customers from pilot to global scale with speed and efficiency. He's an avid proponent of how modern IDP platforms should emerge and helps many startups in IDP space by providing them practitioners' view to build features in their platform. Abhinav is based out of US, and he's taken time to join us at this very late time. At this time, Abhinav, thank you for staying up this late. The stage is yours.
So we are from the intelligent process automation practice at Cognizant. We basically help customers and clients across industries by embedding automation across enterprises to improve the agility, streamline the customer and employee journeys, and effectively elevate the experiences. What we do to implement that and provide this type of automation experiences is by deploying various technologies, tools like RPA platforms, AI, ML, low-code, no-code platforms, API management solutions, cloud-native solutions. That's what we do for a living. Right? So through this, our practice basically offers hyper-automation at scale across all the vertical segments. And we do offer consulting, operating model setup, advisory setup, or advisory consulting, generally speaking, people enablement, execution for our customers. Now, as Ansari was talking about, the hyper-automation journey is not complete without IDP solution, a proper IDP solution in place. What we do in the COE that we run today is explore a lot of IDP platforms in play, and then which is like an incubation cell that we run, right? And Botminds is one of the platforms that has gone through this incubation that we have in Cognizant, and we have certified, looked at various use cases that Botminds can support, and hence we chose this partnership, right? I will not read through the credentials of the practice. You can see that on the screen. I will talk about some of the use cases that we have done on Botminds. The first one is about contract analytics, essentially extracting data from complex contracts is something that we have achieved using the Botminds platform. The second one is KYC, customer onboarding scenario. Here, various types of documents like ID proofs, statement letters, financial statements from a customer when he's trying to get onboarded into a bank or an enterprise. That type of document data extraction capabilities we have also tried here. You can see the outcomes that we have achieved. In some cases, some of these are illustrative use cases, some of these are actually live use cases. The third one is a very interesting one where we have seen like most of the companies have to report financials and financial reporting to the enterprises and to the industry. Like that, you will very soon see that ESG sentiment and ESG reporting will become a very important aspect, right? So in that context, we are also doing art of possible work with Botminds to figure out how can we do ESG sentiment profiling, and some of the features on the platform that you guys talked about, like crawling hundreds and thousands of web pages, collecting that information from and getting positive, negative sentiments from the events that have happened. Those are the type of things that we are doing in this art of possible use case. And the last one is in the asset servicing space, which is from the banking world. Again, a lot of complex documents in this space, from stakeholder notices to valuation reports to capital call notices. Those are the type of documents that we have seen, and we have done some POCs around that in this space. Essentially, overall, I would say the platform is quite matured enough to address these variety of horizontal and cross-cutting vertical use cases. Some of the things that I personally liked about the platform are the table AI that you guys have done a very good work on, which helps us to solve for the financial statements. Then the query API that you have, which is I can talk to the I can discover documents based on a query, like give me all documents which have got, let's say, contracts more than $50,000 type scenario, right? That's another very important feature. Very many other platforms do not have this. Web crawling is another one that is a unique to the platform that you guys bring to the table. And of course, the last one is the low code, no code interface that you have given to us and to all the SI partners to build the models at the speed of light. Over to the next slide, Vikas, which talks about the partnership outlook that we are looking at right now with Botminds. So we have two of the partnerships, because that you mentioned about. One of them is the OEM partnership that Cognizant has with Botminds, and second is a reseller agreement. We have trained around 15 people in the COE today, with 50 plus people going on to get certified. Level 1 certification is what we're talking about here right now. From an operating model go-to-market perspective, I think it's working out very well. We have at least 5 to 6 leads that are actively getting worked out between us. I think there is a focus on building industry solutions, as well as focusing on leading from the front end when it comes to the RFPs and leads that come to us. So overall, because that's a quick partnership outlook between us. Let me know if you can take it back to the next speaker. And thank you so much.
Thank you, Abhinav. Thank you for walking everybody and all of us through the exciting partnership that we've had. And I have to go ahead and admit that Cognizant is one of the most active partners in terms of trying things out, bringing things onto the table, and taking this to a new level in terms of the requirements that keep coming through from the market, and trying these these pieces out. So absolutely, thank you for that. Thank you for the leadership there from the Cognizant side, and pushing our team as well to build onto the solutions that we have the technology for. Thanks, Abhinav.